What if I told you there's a legal way that you can live for free on the island of Puerto Rico? You can build passive income at the same time, and you'll pay zero taxes on the rents that you collect. And when you combine that with house hacking, you've got a wealth-building cheat code. Here's how it works, who it's for, and how to start, even if you've never owned a property before. Let's break it down. Here's the play. Identify and buy a 2 to 4 family home on the island of Puerto Rico. Live in one of those units, rent out the other units long term. And thanks to Law 132, that rental income, 100% tax-free. No gimmicks, no loopholes. This is just a well-written law that anyone can use, and it encourages affordable housing on the island of Puerto Rico. So what is Law 132 and why does it matter? Law 132 is a real estate incentive law in Puerto Rico that says if you rent out residential units long-term, then the rent that you collect is not subject to Puerto Rico taxes at all. That's not taxed, it's not withheld, it's not reduced, none of that stuff. It's just zero tax. You get all of the money, stick it in your pocket, and go out and celebrate. And this isn't some expired loophole. This is going to be in place through 2040 and possibly longer, which means if you take action right now, you can start building tax-free income for years to come. Let's talk about who this works for. Is it you? Listen, this works even if you're just getting started and you've never done anything in real estate before. It's perfect for young professionals and anyone who's looking to lower their cost of living by moving to the island of Puerto Rico. It works for retirees or remote workers who want freedom and cash flow, first-time home buyers who want to live in their investment, and anyone who's tired of paying taxes on rental income. The only way this won't work for you is if you want to be a short-term rental specialist. Airbnb doesn't qualify. This is for long-term rents. That's 12-month leases or more, and it has to be somebody's primary residence. So not commercial and not short-term. It could be even on the island of Puerto Rico that it's 6 months. In the States, long-term would definitely identify as 12 months or more. We've heard on the island of Puerto Rico it could be 6 months or more. Ask your tax professional. Let me tell you how to do it step by step. First, get pre-approved for a loan, have the cash, or raise the money so that you can buy a 2 to 4 family home, or a 1 to 4 family home even if you just want to do rentals. Step 2, so find a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex. Then you buy it and move into one of the units as your primary residence. Rent out those other units long term. File your Puerto Rico tax return and mark the rent as exempt under Law 132. And guys, your tenants are funding your entire life and paying for your house. And look at that, you're a homeowner and a real estate investor, all rolled up into one. And here's a bonus. What about deductions? People are gonna ask in the comments, hey, do I still get to write off the interest that I pay to the bank? Do I still get to depreciate the asset? Well, there's a quick and easy answer. If you're taking advantage of Law 132, the answer is no. You don't get to write any of that shit off, but you do get to pocket all of the rental income 100% tax-free. What would you rather do? Put 100% of the rental income right into your pocket without paying any taxes, or depreciate 20 or 30% of the asset? Let me know in the comments what you think is better. Hint, it's putting the money in your pocket. Here's why this is urgent. This law isn't just generous, it's being expanded. It's not being shut down. And as the rents rise across the island, this is one of the last chances you're gonna have to lock in cash flow and actually keep what you earn. The sooner you start, the more benefits you'll get. Most people don't even know this exists. You wanna know how I know? It's been in existence since 2010, and no one's ever told me about it. I'm pretty sure that you've never heard about it before, but now you know. And if you're serious about doing this the smart way, join our community, the Flip Flop Flipper Apex community, where new investors, flippers, and private lenders come together to do real estate deals. Learn together, network together. We want to make money together. Just comment yes in the comments and I'll send you the link. That's it.